Mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Yes, mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Many people do not want to make mistakes because they're afraid. They feel afraid about making mistakes. They think always other people say something bad about them if they make mistakes. And they stop their journey in a certain place. That's why they do not go to ahead to achieve their goal. So at first of all, we have to remove our shame. We have to remove our afraid. Why we feel afraid? It should not be afraid. It should not be feel afraid always, because every human being make mistakes. So you have to think fast that, and you have to fix in your mind that mistakes are part of human life. Yes, this is true. There is nobody who do not make mistake. Everybody makes mistakes. So why do you think that your mistakes will be highlighted in a big way? Never think like this way. Just think that I will make mistake and I will learn something new. Without making mistakes, no one can achieve their goal. And that is why it is called that mistakes are the proof that you are trying. The person who says I can do it very easily, I can do anything very easily without making mistakes, he is a liar, we can say. Yes, no one do a work without practicing, without making mistakes. If you want to do a big work, you have to go through so many mistakes. Otherwise, you cannot achieve your target work. It's true, and this is honestly speaking that it's true. You cannot do anything without making mistakes. So never feel any kind of shame to making mistakes, to make mistake. Otherwise, if you feel ashamed, if you feel afraid to make mistake, people always laugh at you. They will think that you are afraid of making mistake and you can do anything new that is must need for you. Yes, nobody will help you. Nobody will come forward to uphold you in your fall position. You are the only person who can bring yourselves from the fall position in a good position. So make mistakes and achieve something new every day. We human beings, none of us above all mistakes. Mistakes is our part of life. Every day we are making mistakes enormously. Without making mistakes, we do not work. Really. We make mistakes to do a certain things. We make mistakes when we deliver our speech. We make mistakes when we practice anything. So why are you afraid? Why are you keep yourself resist from doing the certain work that you want to do every day? Are you thinking about people? People is nothing. Are you thinking about other person will criticize you? The other person is nothing to you. You are the only one person who wants to bring yourselves to a better position. No other people come forward to give you a better position. You have to create your position. You have to create your own environment where there you will be a happy person. You will lead a good moment. You will lead a good life. I think you got my point. The main thing was my discussion is about making mistake. If you do not make mistake, you cannot achieve new thing. So that is why I said at the first time in my discussion, mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Yes, I'm going to say again this sentence: mistakes are the proof that you are trying. Without try, don't leave anything. don't give up without trying. Without try, don't give up. Okay? Thank you so much listening me patiently. See you next one. Bye bye.